Hi, I will get right to it. In this video, I'll be teaching on how to link up the first position and the second position of major pentatonic scale step by step in key G major. Here we have our G major on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. If you are joining us for the first time, for you to have a better understanding of this link up, you can visit my YouTube channel and watch major scale versus major pentatonic scale first position, and make sure you do the assignment. When you have done the assignment, you now proceed to the next video, which is major scale versus major pentatonic scale second position, and you also do the assignment. Thereafter, you can come and join us in this link up. Thank you. Here is the first position. Second position. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, sol, la, re, mi, re, do, sol, mi, re, do, sol, mi, re, do. The tapes you can see are on the second position. I believe you should have mastered the first position. That's why I didn't bother to place any tape on the first position. When soloing, you can link up to the next position through any string or note or with any finger that is convenient for you at that particular moment. In this video, I'll be teaching on how to link up to the next position through every string, starting from the low E string, which is the 6th string. On the first position, the first note here, do. Take note, here is a common boundary between the first position and the second position. The first note here, do, which is on the first position, now heading towards the second position. Do, re. So now on the second position, you can make use of any finger that is convenient for you, but I prefer making use of finger 1. Do, re, mi. You can see I'm now on the second position. So, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi. Heading back to the first position. Do. The next string, which is the A string, will be linking up through the note here, so, do, re, mi. Like I said, I prefer making use of finger 1 here. You can see finger 1, one more time, do, re, mi. The same finger 1, also, so, la. Now on the second position, do, re, mi, sol, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol. Heading back to the first position, so, mi. Now on the first position, The next string here, the fourth string. The fourth string, also known as this string, will be linking up to the next position through the eighth note. Okay, it goes like this. On the first position, do, re, mi, so, la. So heading towards the second position. As you can see, finger 1, do. Now on the second position, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Heading back to the first position. As you can see, la, so, mi, re, do. The next string, known as G string or third string. Do, re, mi, so, la, do, re. As you can see, heading towards the second position now. You can see my finger. I'm heading towards the second position now. You can see mi. Now on the second position, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, mi. Heading back to the first position, mi, re. Now on the first position, do, la, so, mi, re, do. The next string, which is B string, second string, so we'll be linking to the next position through this note here, la. Okay, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so. Take note. Now heading towards the second position. Here is the la, la. This time around, I'm going to make use of finger 4 because it's the finger that is convenient for me at this moment. La. Now as you can see, I'm now on the second position. One more time. La, do, re, mi, re, do. Now I'm heading back to the first position. One more time. Mi, re, do, la. Now on the first position. So, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Now let's proceed to the high E string, which is the first string here. Do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do. On this high E string, I'll be linking up through finger 2 because this finger 2 is convenient for me. Do, re. As you can see, I'm now on the second position. Mi, re. Heading back towards the first position. Do. I'm now on the first position. Do, la, sol, mi, re, do. I have an assignment for you. Your assignment is to study the finger movement on the first position and second position and get used to it, and use the same method to play on every key that is on this sixth string. Every key on the sixth string. You can see the sixth string here. Every key that's on the sixth string. Here we have G, G sharp. You do the same thing on G sharp. Key A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, and so on. For example, on this G sharp, do, re, mi, sol, la. I'm linking up to the next position through the 8th note. One more time. Do, re, mi, sol, la. Do, re, mi, sol, la. Do, re, mi, do, la, sol, mi, re. Do, la, sol, mi, re, do. So when you are used to this, you now proceed to the next key. You can see I'll do the same thing on the next key, which is key A. The same pattern of movement. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la. Now moving to the next position, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The next key here, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, do. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of third position. Please like, share and subscribe.